I'm gonna go on a bike ride. Yeah. Because I feel like it. So, right here's the lake. Yep. Yeah. So right there is the lake. Which you probably don't care. But can I catch the phone? Oh, yeah, buddy. And then over here, they cut down a bunch of trees over here. Like, those are all the way back there. And then a house. And then we're almost at the end of the trail. I'm gonna go farther than I'm supposed to and go past the trail. We are two, na 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 na. We are two, na 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 na. Alright, should I just feed it? Guys, let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's literally no one coming. That's right. Alright, another house. And I don't know if that's a house or an apartment. I've never been able to tell. Looks like someone kidnapped someone in that house. Then we're coming over here. Right? Well, I think this guy over here. Here, hold on. I think they have about every flag known to man because, like, they have every single one. Uh-oh, I almost got ran over. That's not good. I don't even know where I'm at now. Chad, I actually have no clue where I am right now. Shit. I don't know where I am. Oh no. I think I went this way. Oh no. I forgot where to go. The Snicker. Shit. Bro. I don't know what to do. I think I'm turning this way. Or no. Hey, hold on. Oh no. Do I push? Crossing the road. I think I know where I'm at now. I think. Oh my god. Shit, I'm lost. Oh no. I heard. Okay, but for real though, did you guys know Corey Cunningham, the offensive lineman in the NFL, died? Like, and he was only 28 too. Okay. Sorry. Oh, I almost got raped by a doggy. I love being raped by doggies. Oh shit, my bad. I forgot my camera. Holy shit, that yellow run is big. I'll just go again. Wait, shit. Wait, is there cars behind me? Oh. There was a car behind me. La 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 la. Bro, the fact that it's so weekend already is crazy. We have 20 days left of school, bro. Like, what? Only 20 is crazy. Like, I don't know what to do. Because it's like, in the summer, I don't live by, like, no. So, I don't know. I'm gonna be bored. That's a second tour. We are two. Me and you. Da 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 da. Giggity giggity. Oh brother God. I think I keep going straight. Another person who owns every flag in the world. Alright, I'm coming over here. Yeah, this thing. Alright, so over here, you got the lake. Oh, shoot, chat. Oh my god. Wait, shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. If I dropped my phone right there, I would have been in so much trouble though. We're also gonna check out over here though. So we're over here now. You go down here. I don't even know who made this thing. But I wanna give a kiss on the cheek. But whoever did this is a W. Oh wait, there's fishies. See the fish? There's lily pads. Yeah. There's so much graffiti on these walls too. Is there any spiders up there? I don't know. But yeah, anyways. So, anyways, over here. What the flip is that thing? Oh, there's like something there. I'm gonna go back up now and I'm gonna show you guys the library, okay? And old grandma walks by me when I did that. We're almost at the library. It's in fact really close. If I put my Croc under that thing, under my tire, does it make that one? Oh, no, it in fact doesn't. I think it put a hole in my Croc. By the library. Well, I hate going down this thing. Because it's like so bumpy and like makes me go la 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 la. Oh, look at all the ducks over there. Look at the ducks. Hold up, let's get closer to the ducks. Oh. Look at the ducks. Can you see the ducks? Look at them, all of them ducks. Can I pet the duck? Wait, what if I pet the duck? Get over here, ducky. Get over here, ducky. Get over here, ducky. Get over here, ducky. Okay, my bad. My bad. I'm starting to think these ducks got ops on me. So now we're right by the library. Well, why is there no one here today, though? Oh, shoot. That was unexpected. Bro, why is there no one here? Literally fucking no one. What the fuck just... There's no one. Me, you, la la la. And put my bike in the bike rack. I guess let's go in because there's like no one here. Oh, nah, shit, chat. Are these real flowers? No way, are these actual flowers? They're not real flowers. What the heck? It says building closed for some reason. Why does it say building closed? Well, shit, chat is just letting me in. Is it gonna... No. Oh. Wait, but isn't it normally open Fridays? Yeah, see, Friday and Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 5. Oh, my bad. Why this thing a Drake? It go boing, go. Ow! Oh, shit. I can't get my bike out now. Crap, chat, my cook. Boing. And I'm about to go to Basketball America, so I had to head home. I'm like 10 minutes away. And we go, wee! Yeah, I ain't riding my bike up this shit. Quick, Didi, hit my screen. Nah, because I know for a... Hold up. I know for a fact this bitch name's Cupcakes, if you can see the dog. Fast as fuck, boy. Alright, we're about to go over this bumpy thing. And... I'm almost home. How the fuck you always home? Oh, brother, I'm so close to home. Alright, you guys. See you later. I think I'm gonna make it. Ow! Ow! Oh my god. Bruh. Oh my god.